my Valentine's, yeah. Can I you they making my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kwabi.
Hello everyone, and yes, it's me Bishesha Shah from Shopna's Makeover and Beauty Studio. Well, so I'm back with a new festive makeup look. So at first I would like to tell कि thank you to all my dear supporters कि आप लोगों ने मुझे इतना सपोर्ट किया. मेरे जो भी पिछले वाले मेकअप के वीडियोस थे आप लोगों ने मुझे ढेर सारा प्यार दिया, और मैं चाहूँगी कि आप मुझे इस वीडियो में और आगे भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे प्यार देते रहें. And again, thanks to all of you for giving me a lot of your love. So and of course this is not a makeup tutorial because I don't think that I am a professional artist right now, because अभी भी मेरे में मैं कुछ स्टेप्स मुझे ठीक से आते नहीं हैं, या फिर there are a lot of things जो कि मैं ठीक से कर नहीं पाती. तो I would tell कि this is not a makeup tutorial. This is just a video in which I'm sharing my creativity. So please like this video, and if you are new here in our channel, then don't forget to subscribe, and please share this video with your friends and families. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So at first I'm gonna clean my face with the help of the Wet Wipes by PAC. These are the charcoal wet wipes, and then I'm using the Nivea lip balm as my skin is very dry. And for the moisturizer I'm using the Richa Dave water based moisturizer, which is generally preferred for the dry skin people. So as my today's look is all about the glam festive makeup look, so that's why I'm using a liquid highlighter by Becca Cosmetics and blending it nicely throughout my face. And then I'm using the brow pomade by PAC, and my eyebrow brush is also from PAC. Okay, so now after filling out my eyebrows, I'm gonna basically do the cleanup of my eyebrows with the help of a Bobbi Brown concealer. I'm using the first one, which is according to a little bit lighter, but it's much more better for my skin tone. And then as an eye base, I'm using the Makeup Revolution eye base and setting it out with a Mist Clear No Color powder. So for my today's eye makeup, I'm gonna pop out the shade Pink Lily from the Be Perfect Tahiti eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna clean my brush with the Express Blush Cleanser by PAC. And let me show you one surprise. And here it goes. Like it's now you can imagine that how many brushes do we clean in it. And now I'm gonna blend out the Pink Lily shade in my eyelid with the help of Beautylicious and the PAC brush. And then I'm also gonna pop out the dark purple shade from the same palette.
I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kwabi.
So today I'll be doing a half cut crease eye makeup. So for that I am today using a new technique that I've seen in many of the hacks. Like I'm gonna use the makeover cleanser by In Color, and I'm just cleaning out my lid so the excess color just gets removed by itself. And then I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution concealer, which I used for making my eye base, and then I'm just cutting my crease so that I can apply the other colors also.
$1,000 I can spend for your head.
My today's deep purple shade from the palette was the shade Blackberry, and now I'm gonna use the shade Key Lime from the same palette. And today basically I want a colorful eye makeup, that's why I'm preferring the neon shades from the Carnival Tahiti palette. And I'll be blending my neon shade with the help of the other two green shades and one blue shade also. So applying the colors in my eyelid is completed, and now as you can see it looks like this. And then I'll be using a little bit of glitter from Kingdom of Lashes with the help of the PAC glitter glue on it. So today I have also tried to make the white line on my crease, which I have watching that it's very much popular in these days. So I'm using it from the brand Camera, and then I'm using the liner which is by APK, and using the angle brush by Pro Art Cosmetics. After testing a lot of products, my hand looks like this. I thought of cleansing it out, but then I said no to it. Well, now I'm gonna conceal my face with the help of the same Bobbi Brown concealer which I used to clean out my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the help of a Puna Store blender. It was really fun doing this makeup, as I created the mustache with the help of concealer. Well, you can see that very well. And then I'm just gonna blend it out also, cause I'm not gonna leave it like that. And then I'm gonna use the foundation. One is by L'Oreal and another one is by Smashbox. Today I've mixed both of the shades in the palette, and I have also done a new trick, that is I have taken the Fixer by Urban Decay, and I'm just gonna spray it out in the foundation, and then I'm gonna apply it on my face. So I request all of you to please follow us on Instagram. I have shared 3 of the accounts in the screen, so please go and follow us on Instagram. And today I was really very tired of blending the foundation in my neck, so I got an idea and I have used the Air Flash foundation by Dior. It is really very easy to blend out because it is a spray foundation, but I was scared because it could stain out the top which I was wearing, but I felt really very relaxed while using it. And I'm again using the Nivea lip balm because my lip was getting out very dry. And then for as a concealer of highlighting, I've used the concealer by Cover FX.
But you got me coming. I should have be coming early in the morning. Oh yeah, she can make you send my money. Call me Mr. Bean.
To contour my face today, I've used the contour stick by Tarte Cosmetics, and it's a cream contour basically. It was interesting for me today to blend out the concealer as well as the contour in my face, so it was really very nice. And the contour was also suiting on my face, which I did. So as today I used the cream contour stick to contour my face, so I'm setting it out with the help of a powder contour by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm using the contour brush that is by Beautylicious. So after using the powder contour, I have used the No Color Pressed Compact Powder by PAC, and I have also used the Miss Clear No Color Powder, which is a loose powder.
My baby, my Valentine.
Today I'm using a sky blue shade from Faces Canada in my waterline, and I'll be blending it out with 2 colors, that is a pink shade and a purple shade from the Carnival Tahiti palette. For my blush, I've used the PAC blusher palette, and I've taken 2 to 3 shades for my blusher. As a highlighter, today I've used a highlighter that is by Hojo. It's really very amazing and gives us a glassiness effect in our face. And I've also used a Kiko Milano finishing powder under my eyes. And if you want to recreate this look, then of course you can. I've given the name of the accounts in the screen, so tag us in your stories and we will definitely share that. And now for fixing out my makeup, I've used the MAC makeup fixer and dried out with the help of a small little fan. Today for my lipstick, I have used Tulip Color by PAC Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna use 2 shades for my lips, as you can see, and the outcome was really very amazing and unique. And for the lip gloss, I have used the lip gloss that is by Fenty Beauty. So to give my lips a more shiny effect, I have used the diamond powder by PAC Cosmetics, and I have also applied the lash and mascara on my eyes, and then I have used amazing powder, shining powder basically, that is by Body Shop. So that was my today's makeup look. I hope you all liked it. So please comment down below so that I can see that what are your feelings for this video, and please share this video with your friends and families, and also subscribe to our channel if you are new. And that was for today, and I will also make a next makeup look for you all. Thanks for watching.